Uber has $1 trillion upside for this surprising reason? Could Uber 6.59%, be a $1 trillion company? Management thinks so, and the future will be driven by autonomous vehicles.
Uber. Quarterly noise is a welcome sign for investors. The negative market reaction following the Q4 2024 earnings release is a major sign that the market is too focused on short-term performance. In the meantime, Uber is making significant progress in achieving high GAAP profitability. More importantly, even more signs are emerging that the company is well positioned to secure significant competitive advantages.
Uber stock surges for second day as Ackman announces $2 billion. Stake Uber stock gained a second straight day as Bill Ackman said he had built a stake worth more than $2 billion. The post-Uber stock surges for second day as Ackman announces $2 billion stake appeared first on Investors Business Daily.
4 stocks that turned $1,000 into $1 million or more. Turning a small investment into a fortune is the ultimate dream for any investor, but it's exceedingly rare to find an investment that delivers outsized returns quickly, that doesn't come with a few risks.
Prediction: 2 artificial intelligence, AI, stocks that will be worth more than Nvidia 3 years from now. Few companies have benefited from the rise of generative artificial intelligence, AI, as much as Nvidia, NVDA 0.90%. The chipmaker saw its stock price increase nearly 8-fold from the launch of OpenAI's ChatGPT on November 30, 2022, through the end of 2024.
If I could own only one Magnificent 7 stock, this would be it. In this video, I will go over Amazon's AMZN minus 4.05%, latest quarterly report, and comments by management. Watch the short video to learn more, consider subscribing, and click the special offer link below.
Meta to begin previously announced workforce reduction. Meta is set to begin its previously announced workforce reduction on Monday, February 10th. The company told staff on Friday, February 7th, that those who are laid off will be cut off from Meta's internal system within an hour and notified about their severance packages via email. The information reported Friday.
Where will Meta Platforms stock be in 3 years? Meta Platforms, Meta's 0.35% stock has been in fine form on the market over the past 3 years, delivering healthy gains of 116% to investors, and outperforming the 37% increase in the Nasdaq Composite Index during the same period.
Meta to chop 5% of workforce as Zuckerberg decides to raise the bar on performance. Impacted employees will receive notifications via their personal and work emails on Monday, according to an internal memo.
e.l.f. Beauty, Inc. investigation. Levi and Korsinsky investigates potential securities fraud by e.l.f. Beauty, e.l.f. New York, New York. Access Newswire, February 7, 2025. Levi and Korsinsky notifies investors that it has commenced an investigation of e.l.f. Beauty, Inc. e.l.f.
e.l.f. investor alert. The Shao law firm invites shareholders with losses in e.l.f. Beauty, Inc. to join a securities fraud investigation. Los Angeles, California, Access Newswire, February 7, 2025. The Shao law firm, a national shareholder rights litigation firm, announces that it is investigating claims on behalf of investors of e.l.f. Beauty, Inc. e.l.f.
e.l.f. investor alert. e.l.f. Beauty, Inc. is being investigated for securities fraud, and shareholders with losses are encouraged to contact the Shao law firm, Los Angeles, California. ACCS Newswire, February 7, 2025. The Shao law firm, a national shareholder rights litigation firm, announces that it is investigating claims on behalf of investors of e.l.f. Beauty, Inc. e.l.f.
S&P 500 gains and losses today. Expedia soars as holiday bookings drive earnings beat. Major U.S. equities indexes moved lower to close out the trading week as the January jobs report showed slower than expected hiring but a downtick in the unemployment rate. Despite the slump in job additions, the overall resilience in the labor market could encourage the Federal Reserve to hold off on additional interest rate cuts.
EXPE Q4 earnings beat estimates. Stock up on solid bookings growth. Expedia's fourth quarter 2024 results benefit from an increase in B2B and advertising revenues.
Expedia's travel momentum grows, but analysts await clearer signs of long-term upside. Travel technology company Expedia Group Inc. (EXPE) reported better than expected fourth quarter earnings. The following are comments by different analysts on the company's performance.